We started the business 4 years ago, 2009, looking at cases and covers for technology. There wasn't much in the market for the females, and certainly myself, there was nothing that inspired me. Having worked in London for 15 years, doing a 7 to 7 job, this was really my chance to be creative as well as fitting it around my work and childcare situation. We started out just selling on our own website, and then we moved on to linking up with Amazon. It created a marketplace for us instantly. You can see what's on Amazon, you can do your research, you can see what your competitors are doing and find ways of just presenting yourself with a unique selling point. When we started out, we were working from home, and we'd have boxes and boxes of products in the lounge and the dining room and the kitchen. And we'd even get my little boy unpacking the cases and collecting the rubbish, so it was a real family affair. Certainly we've used Amazon to build our brand and to test different products. We might put it on Amazon but fulfill it ourselves until we're sure that the quality of the product is what people want. And the warehousing means you don't have to spend too much time keeping control of your stock because it's all listed on the fulfillment software. I'm able to come here 5 days a week with the team. And I also do the school run in the morning, so that's a good thing for a mum. I mean, anybody looking to start out in business, you know, they sometimes need to manage their home affairs as well, and it's great that I can walk my little boy to school and then come straight to the office. The Amazon customers overall have been really fantastic. I'd say the feedback we've got and the reviews that we get have been really inspiring, and it keeps us going.